Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian from KDog Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick video on how I do my gel fills as well as a freeform nail. This particular nail I was having a little bit of problems with. I did prep it before this. I filed it down. I cut it off. So first thing I'm doing is applying Gelish pH Bond Dehydrator. The next thing after that is going to be my IBD Power Bond Gel Bonder. Now this, I do put 2 coats on it, so I will be letting it dry a little bit in between each coat. After that, I am going to be putting the IBD Gel Polish Base Coat and curing it for a full 30 seconds. Again, the products I'm using are Gelish pH Bond, IBD Power Bond, and IBD Gel Polish Base Coat, along with IBD Hard Gel Builder Gel in the color pink. So now that I have shaped my nail, I'm going to pretend like I'm going to do a fill on every single one of them, even though I just did that one. I'm going to start off by putting on Gelish pH Bond Dehydrator, and then putting a layer of IBD Power Bond Gel Bonder on all of my nails. After I finish placing the IBD Power Bond Gel Bonder, I do add IBD Gel Polish Base Coat on every single one of my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. So now we're ready for the IBD hard gel in pink. Be careful with this gel, it does run a little bit more than the clear one. What I usually do is get a pretty big bead, put it near the cuticle area, try to put your nail in a downward position while you're pulling it towards the tip of your nail. And then I would go in, clean up my cuticle area, a little bit here, a little bit there, and finally grab a little bit more and place it in the apex area so that way I can start fixing my arch. So I forgot to do this on my first nail, but I usually put a thin layer of the builder gel so that way when I place the bigger bead of builder gel, it does flow easier when it goes down towards the tip. It self-levels pretty easy as well when I do that. Focusing on the apex area after you get your big bead of gel polish down. And here's the finished gel fill. That is it for this video, guys. So until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye.